So most people solve this question like 5 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1, right? Then 10 divided by 10. So 10 divided by 10 is equal to also 1. Now 1 divided by 1. So 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have division, and here division, and all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1 divided by 10 divided by 10, right? Now 1 divided by 10 can be written as 1 upon 10 divided by 10, right? Now according to KCF rule, K means skip this first fraction, 1 upon 10 as it is same. Then C means change this sign from division to multiplication. Then F means flip this second 10 is equal to 1 upon 10, right? Now 1 times 1 is equal to 1 and 10 times 10 is equal to 100, right? So the correct answer is 1 upon 100. If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.